Hi guys, how are you today? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another video. This is a follow-up video to our last video on smart money data. In this video, I'll shed more light on the three smart money data, and I'll also explain how the three work hand in hand to help us make better trade decisions based on the trades taken by the institutional trader. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome to Tom's Capital, where we approach the financial market with trading facts and institutional data, which enables us to see the market with the eyes of a smart money trader. Three of those institutional data is what we'll be discussing in this video. If this sounds good to you, feel free to join the Tom's Capital family by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the bell icon to get notified when we post our videos. Let's go straight into our business of the day, which is the institutional pending order, the institutional price magnet, and the VIP bias. Just like I said earlier, these three data work hand in hand. We need all the three to make the best decision on market direction, entry confirmation, as well as target placement. For the sake of those of you that haven't seen any of our video on this smart money data, the institutional pending orders show where smart money have placed their pending buy or sell orders in the market, and also tells us the position smart money is in at the moment, because the pending orders shown are to protect their original position, to defend the position, and to scale in at a better price. The second data, that is the institutional price magnet, shows exact price levels where the institutions will drive price to later in the future for mitigation. This data is presented as price levels with two layers of arrows showing the magnetic effect of pulling price to itself. The last of the three data is the VIP bias, which stands for volume, open interest, and price action bias. It is a confirmation tool that helps us to confirm impending reversal when we have reversal setups. If you need more info on these three data, check out our previous videos on smart money data. We all know the institutions rule the financial market, and to win most of your trades, you will have to trade in the same direction as the smart money. This data helps us to achieve that with ease. You already know the data work hand in hand. The pending order dictates the direction. The movement in that direction is targeted at the price magnet levels. The VIP bias confirms the reversal setup right at the origin or even before it happens. The pending orders reported in our data is used by the institutions to reinforce their original position and scale in more positions at better prices. For instance, if the institutions enter a buy trade which they intend to hold for a while, they place pending buy orders at a lower price to defend that running buy trade, just in case price decides to come lower. So with access to that data, we know the trade smart money is in, and in addition to that, we also know where they intend to add more position to that trade in the same direction. Let's take a look at some examples from the chart. The area below this level right here is the pending buy order zone, and we also know that the institutions are already in a buy trade. That means we should only expect bullish setups and nothing more. Also, if price runs below this level, we should look for a bullish reversal to continue the up movement. Looking forward in price, you can see that price headed up, came back down into the pending order zone. It then reversed and headed straight up. Similarly, in this scenario, the area right here marks the sell pending order zone, which means the institutions are in a sell trade already and have placed pending sell orders here to defend their position. Just as in the previous example, price came into the area, reversed, and headed bearish. The second smart money data we publish is the institutional price magnet. This tells us the price that will be targeted after reversal. The price magnet data is all about future targets. It doesn't tell us anything about the current bias of the institutions, but it gives us an idea of the future bias and serves as the targeted level where price will be drawn to. If you are getting value from this video, smash the like button right now. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on our videos. Let's revisit our previous examples, but now with the institutional price magnet levels added. As you can see in the buy scenario, that after the bullish reversal happened, Price headed straight to the price magnet right here. Also in the sell scenario, the price headed straight for the price magnet right here after the reversal. This scene repeats itself week in and week out in the market. The same thing happens on currencies, metals, indices, energy, and every financial market you can think of. The final data that we publish is the VIP bias and is less of an institutional data but more of the result of our analysis of possible reversal based on price action, volume, and open interest. It is the icing on the cake of pending order and price magnet. It helps us to confirm our reversal setups, or should I say we use it as a confluence. After we build a story with pending orders and price magnets, the VIP bias is our final confirmation in addition to price action setups. Like in these two consecutive trades showing on your screen right now, we had a bullish pending order right at this low on Wednesday, and we had a bearish pending order at this high on Friday, which means the institutions have set the market up for both sell and buy moves. At the low on Wednesday, we have a bearish price magnet right above the pending buy order zone. On Friday, the VIP bias showed impending sell reversal, and also look at the price action. We had this ABCD swing to the downside, creating a liquidity zone right here. Also at this point, we got a second liquidity zone, which makes the high a liquidity pool. In addition to that, the high happens to be an intra-week contract high, which further confirms the sell trade on liquidity run. On Monday, price headed straight into the pending sell order zone, as well as run the intra-week contract high and liquidity pool. It then crashed and headed straight for the bearish price magnet from Wednesday that is yet to be mitigated. Isn't it amazing how everything worked together perfectly? If you are getting value from this video, like the video right now and drop an awesome comment in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button right now and don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you get notified when we drop our videos. Similar to the sell setup, Smart Money left a bullish price magnet at this high, and on heading to the bullish pending order zone, which also doubles as the bearish price magnet target, we add this ABCD swing to the upside, creating the first liquidity zone, which was taken out right here, after which a new one was created right here. And for serious members of the Thumbs Capital family, we know this is our consecutive liquidity run reversal model. If you have no idea what that is, you need to watch our liquidity pool video or our ultimate price action reversal pattern video. Do that right after watching this one. If you take a good look at the low of the second liquidity zone, you will see that it is also Monday-Tuesday intra-week contract low, which makes this a perfect reversal setup. On that Tuesday, our VIP bias showed impending bullish reversal, which finally confirms the buy setup. On Wednesday, we got the drop to run the second liquidity zone and intra-week contract low. Price also entered the pending buy order zone from where it reversed and headed straight up to hit the bullish price magnet at this high. I promise you can't get this anywhere else but here on Thumbs Capital. And that is because most traders have no idea this is what is going on and they have no idea where to get this data. And the few ones with access to this data will never share it. So that's how I'm able to call trades that play out like it's magic, like I did in our market outlook video. I believe you all now see how powerful these smart money data are. Start marking it on your charts as I publish the data and use it in combination with your trading strategy, and you will see how it will save you from taking all those bad trades that keep ruining your accounts. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your trader friends to help them. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, do that right now, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified immediately I drop any video, most especially the smart money data video around London Open. I will see you all on the next one. Have a beautiful day.